Hi, I'm Dave Fremwind, and today on this rainy day, I have decided to stay inside and make myself a nice grilled cheese sandwich. Now, many of you know that I have recently lost a lot of weight, and so I am on what is called dietary maintenance. That means that I can now, since I'm not trying to lose weight anymore, I'm trying to stay the same weight. That means that I can eat the same amount of calories that I burn off in a day. So that's basically 1,000 calories more than what I'm used to, which seems like a lot of food. Anyways, but one of the foods that I feel really safe with, that I know how to make very easily at home, and it feels really good on a rainy, cold day, is a grilled cheese sandwich. And so the first thing that I need to do is wash your hands. It's very important to wash your hands. Make sure that you use a good quality soap and scrub all those germs away. And then when you're done, use a clean paper towel to dry your hands. Always wash your hands, okay? It's very important. And it's also important to keep your hands clean while you're cooking. This is my mom's kitchen, not my kitchen. And the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that I have the things that I need. This is my favorite. This is one of my favorite kitchen items. It is a I don't know if I'm allowed to mention the brand name on YouTube video, but this is a single item grill. Okay, this one is a little bit old, so it has some kind of black on it, but you plug it in, and the first thing I do is I use a vegetable spray cooking oil to make the grill not stick. This is called vegetable oil, and I just spray it on there, like that. Then I put this down, let it get hot, okay? And in the meantime, I will take out the other ingredients that I need for my sandwich. First thing that you're going to need for your grilled cheese sandwich is bread. What I have here is a very nice, this is a nice rye bread. It's a seeded rye bread. It has a good oomph to it. You can also use a sourdough bread, whole wheat bread, pumpernickel bread, whatever bread you like. I am using seeded rye bread. I also have cheese. These are various squares of cheese, all different flavor and type. And these are left over from my birthday party. First thing you need to do is, when the grill is hot, take your slice of bread, simply lay it on the grill, and next thing you'll be doing is adding your cheese. Next, I add the cheese on top, like this. Then I take my chicken and take some really nice pieces, put them on. Oops. Then on top, put a couple more cheeses, bread, close it. Let it cook till that green light goes off. Okay, so my sandwich is cooking now, and it's very important to remember to wash your hands. Before I made my food, I washed my hands, and while it's cooking on the grill, here, I washed my hands again and wiped them with a clean paper towel and throw it away. Always wash your hands, okay? It's very important. And it's also important to keep your hands clean while you're cooking. Now I'm waiting for this to cook, and in this grill, there's a light. I don't know if you can see it. There's a green light on there on the top. When that light is on, it's cooking. It's not ready yet. And you can also pick up the lid, and you can, from time to time, you can check it. Sometimes I like to turn it over to make sure that it gets good on both sides. We'll check it again. And so another thing is, while the sandwich is cooking, I have decided to clean my mother's kitchen, because since I'm using her kitchen, it's only fair that I clean it. Also, I use, to turn my sandwich a plastic spatula. It must be plastic and it must be clean. And you turn the sandwich thusly. You open it, you look. Looks good, doesn't it? Turn it over. Now, when your sandwich is looking about like that, that means that it's done. And what you do is you lightly take it off of your pan and place it on a plate. You can then cut it. That's terrific. And there is your perfectly done, hearty and delicious grilled cheese sandwich. Thank you. This is the Dave Fremlin Show, and that is how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. Thank you and have a nice day.